Hey guys, we're here at Hismile HQ today to talk about the PAP Plus Teeth Whitening Strips. We're going to go through a few frequently asked questions and also discuss the main difference between the PAP Plus strips versus the regular supermarket strips that have been around for some time now. So we'll jump in a meeting room and we'll go through it all. Now, the idea for this product actually came from market research that we were doing around the most common ways that people currently whiten their teeth. Now, whitening strips have been around for a very long time because they offer a really convenient way to whiten on the go. But something that we discovered as we dug deeper is that a lot of people have issues with sensitivity. I wanted to pull up what they've actually said so you could see what the current consensus around that product was. So the first one we've got here is, it does the job but really hurt my teeth when I only put it on for 20 minutes, not for sensitive teeth. The next one says, it was so painful to use, I did it 5 times and only for 15 minutes and stopped using it. So those two comments around sensitivity and pain, they're the two biggest things that we really wanted to cover when creating the PAP Plus strips so that people weren't having this issue when they were whitening. Now at Hismile, all of our products hold the same vision of being able to offer a whitening solution that's pain and sensitivity free. Now, that's what we wanted to achieve with our whitening strips, and look, although we are late to the party, it did take some time, but what we've achieved with PAP Plus Teeth Whitening Strips is that convenient, pain-free way to whiten. So the most common question that we've been getting is, how do these strips work compared to your regular supermarket strips? So let's take a quick minute to break down the science. These strips use PAP Plus whitening formulation, whereas your supermarket strips will typically use a hydrogen peroxide formulation. Now, peroxide uses the free radical mechanism to whiten stains within your teeth. This means that when it's whitening, it's actually releasing a lot of free radical molecules, which are getting down into your teeth, whitening the stains, but they're also reacting with the actual structure of your tooth, along with the soft tissue in your mouth. These are the things that can cause sensitivity and gum irritation, so that's what we wanted to avoid. So instead of peroxide, we use PAP, and PAP is special because it can exclusively react with the stain in your tooth without affecting the important minerals or the soft tissue in your mouth at all. This means that PAP can effectively whiten stains without causing the sensitivity or the gum irritation that usually follows a whitening treatment. So that's the main difference between the two products and why PAP Plus strips can provide that effective pain-free whitening solution. Now, a common question that we've been getting asked by our community is, how do the PAP Plus Teeth Whitening Strips compare to our PAP Plus Teeth Whitening Kit? Now, the answer is quite simple. If you're looking for the most extreme chance at results, the PAP Plus Kit is going to give you that. The PAP Plus strips, however, they're offering you a more convenient, travel-friendly way to whiten. You do get 14 strips, and they're something that you can take with you wherever you are. Keep them in the car, keep them in your wallet, take them overseas. Wherever you go, you're going to have this effective whitening solution. However, the kit is what's going to give you the best chance at maximum results. Both products, sensitivity-free and pain-free. However, it just depends which one fits your routine the best. Outside of that, a few other questions that we've been getting is, will these teeth whitening strips leave residue on my teeth after I use them? Now, that's something that we were really careful with when designing the strips because we didn't want people pulling the strips off when they're out whitening and have all this mess left over on their teeth. So we've gone with a dry, residue-free formula, which means that after the 30-minute application, you remove the strip and there is no residue left on your teeth whatsoever, so you're good to continue with your day. I hope this was helpful, guys. If you had any other questions about the PAP Plus strips or wanted to hear us cover any of our other products, leave a comment below and we can get to your questions then. Enjoy the rest of your day.